You are 32 years old. You live in Galaxy Apartments, Building C, third floor. The elevator works most days. You wake up at 6:10 a.m. The ceiling fan hums. Your wife is already in the kitchen. You smell cumin and onions. Lunch is being packed into a steel container. You check your phone before sitting up. No missed calls, no emails. For now, everything is normal. You work as a project coordinator at a mid-sized tech company, $82,000 a year. Health insurance, 401k match. It felt stable. Last year, you signed a lease renewal for $1,850 a month. It seemed manageable. Car payment, $420. Student loans, $310. Groceries climbing every month. But it balanced. You were comfortable. Then the layoffs started. Not in your department. At first. Just headlines, strategic restructuring, efficiency improvements, cost optimization. You and your team joked about it in the break room. Not us, we're essential. You believed that. The first email came on a Tuesday at 9:12 a.m. Mandatory all-hands meeting. You knew what that meant. Your stomach tightened anyway. 40 people were let go that morning. Access revoked before noon. Slack accounts disabled mid-sentence. You walked past empty desks. You felt something change in the air. 2 weeks later, your manager called you into a room. You didn't get fired, you got expanded responsibility. 3 roles consolidated into one. No salary adjustment, but appreciation. Leadership sees your potential. You nodded. You said thank you. You meant it. You had a family. Now your day starts earlier. Emails from clients, internal dashboards, vendor coordination, budget tracking. You answer messages during lunch. You take calls while walking to your car. You finish tasks at 10:30 p.m. Your title didn't change. Your workload tripled. Your wife notices first. You don't sit at dinner the same way. You scroll while chewing. You respond to Slack messages at 8:47 p.m. You say just 5 minutes. 5 minutes becomes 30. You tell yourself this is temporary. The economy is uncertain. The company is stabilizing. You're proving your value. But something else is happening. You're becoming indispensable. Not because you're irreplaceable, because you're cheaper than 3 separate employees. You calculate quietly. If you lose this job, rent $1,850, car $420, loans $310, utilities $280, insurance $190. You have $14,600 in savings. That's maybe 4 months, less if something breaks. So you work harder, longer. You volunteer for projects. You stay visible. You respond instantly. You don't take sick days. You don't complain. 3 months pass. Your performance review arrives, exceeds expectations. No raise. Budget constraints. You understand. You always understand. You start waking up at 3:17 a.m. No alarm, just numbers. What if another round comes? What if revenue drops? What if automation replaces part of your workflow? You open your banking app in the dark. Your wife is asleep beside you. You lower the screen brightness. You don't want her to see the worry. At work, you train a new automation system. It saves time. It eliminates repetitive tasks. You document processes carefully. Leadership thanks you. You wonder quietly if you're documenting yourself out of relevance. Your son asks you to help with homework. You say, after this email. The email takes 20 minutes. He falls asleep on the couch. You carry him to bed. You feel something tighten in your chest. The layoffs didn't remove you. They reshaped you. You survived, but survival has a cost. Your calendar is full. Your energy is not. Your company's stock price stabilizes. Executives speak confidently in quarterly calls. Efficiency is up. Margins improved. You contributed to that. You just don't feel richer. Your paycheck is the same. Inflation is not. Groceries now cost $250 more a month than last year. Health insurance premiums increased. Your rent renewal notice arrives, $1,950 next term. You calculate again. There is no extra, only allocation. Every dollar has a destination before it arrives. You start saying no to small things, weekend trips, dinner out, subscriptions. You call it discipline. It feels like narrowing. One evening, your wife asks, "Are you okay?" You answer automatically, "Yeah, just tired." She nods. She knows it's more than tired. You look at job listings sometimes. Same roles, more responsibility, similar pay. The market is cooling. Competition is higher. You close the tab. Stability feels safer than possibility. You realize something quietly. You didn't just survive layoffs. You absorbed them. The company reduced cost. You increased output. The system adjusted. You adapted. You stand on the balcony of Galaxy Apartments at night. City lights flicker in the distance. You are employed. You are responsible. You are exhausted. Your son is asleep. Your wife is folding laundry inside. You are doing 3 jobs for the price of 1. And tomorrow at 6:10 a.m., you'll wake up again, grateful and afraid at the same time.